In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the Snapchat Plus family plan. Intro. First things first, go ahead and open up Snapchat and tap on your profile icon up in the top left corner, and then you're going to see this little like Snapchat Plus banner thing right here. Simply go ahead and select that. Hit next, and then on here you're going to see friends and family right here. You need to go ahead and select that, and you can select this plan whether you already have Snapchat Plus or you're subscribing for the first time. You just need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the subscription through the App Store or the Google Play Store, or even through the web. It saves you 10% if you do that. But essentially, just once the purchase does go through, you may need to restart Snapchat before the plan does appear. And as a family plan account holder, you can actually add up to 2 friends who are not already subscribed to Snapchat Plus. To add them, all you really need to go ahead and do is just select manage subscription in your Snapchat Plus settings, and then you can add them from there. It really is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.